When taxpayers prepare their N-400 application to become naturalized, understandably, they become very stressed, making sure that they meet all the requirements. And one common concern is whether or not having tax mistakes in the past is going to impact your naturalization application. And typically, it's not going to, but let's go through a little bit. So, if you're looking at the application itself, if you have overdue taxes, that could be a bit of an issue. So, it's probably better to pay any overdue taxes that you have before completing the application. Uh, there's also a question about whether you filed as a non-resident while you were potentially a resident or you thought you were a non-resident. That may cause some issues as well, based on whether you thought you met the permanent resident requirement and things of that nature. But just making mistakes in the past doesn't mean that you're not going to qualify. If you missed a few dollars of income 5 years ago, the statute's probably expired, probably not a big deal. If you missed FBAR filing, if you missed Form 8938 or other foreign income related issues, that could become more of an issue, or other income, but here we specialize in international tax. If you know for a fact that you missed a substantial amount of income, if you know you didn't file certain international information reporting forms, then it's probably something you want to take care of before you apply, or at least before you're interviewed. Why? Is because during the interview they might ask, hey, oh, what country are you originally from? Have you lived outside of the United States? Do you have accounts or assets or income in those countries? And if you had answered no on your tax return or didn't include that income, it could impact your ability to get naturalized.